Hey Ash, want to play mermaids with me?
TJ, it's been a year and I still don't want to play mermaids with you. With a backyard like this, you better like your kids' friends because they're going to be here all the time.
And with 5 bedrooms, they're not just coming over, they're sleeping over.
This home has a beautiful kitchen upstairs,
And kitchen downstairs,
laundry upstairs,
and laundry downstairs,
9-foot ceilings upstairs,
and 9-foot ceilings downstairs. Whether you're upstairs or downstairs, there's plenty of space for everyone.
The place where I will find my only peace of mind. Please tell me it's by your side.
If you're ready to dive into this home, give us a call.
As always, thanks for tuning in. I'm TJ,
And I'm Ash DeButer with the Oystrick team.
and we'll catch you at the next home.
See ya.